Evening children, today we are learning exercise 1.1 second bit and third bit. Second bit one, you have to see once. Write the numbers in ascending increasing order. Increasing means you know na, increasing. We have to arrange the numbers into small numbers to largest number. So we have to arrange the numbers first of all. How many numbers have there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Can you read? 375, 1475, 1500, 15,951, 4,713. So just I will give one example here. Example. See there. The number is 10, 15, okay, 25. There are 4 numbers, okay. What are there? 10, 15, 25. Okay, now we have to write here ascending order. Ascending means what? Increasing. Increasing means what? The numbers are increasing. Okay, ascending order. Here what is the smallest number in these numbers? Which is the smallest number? 10, 15, 25. The smallest number is 5. Okay, next. 5 after what? 10, comma, 15, comma, 20. Okay, do you understand this? Now here see increasing. Sorry, okay. Now see here one. Already I told one example here. Now go to the problem. First one 375 comma 1475 comma 15,951 comma 4,713. Okay, 4,713. Here see, now we have to arrange it into ascending order. Ascending order. Okay, ascending order. Ascending order means what? Ascending order means what? Small number to large number. Here which is the smallest number? Which one is the small number? 300, 1400, 15,000, 4,000. There is the smallest number is 375 comma, next 1475 comma, next 4,713 comma 15,951. Okay, do you understand this? Next, you see here increasing order. Increasing also this is called also ascending and increasing order. Okay, here one boy is there. Okay, he doesn't know what is the increasing order. So I will 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here 5 steps are there. Okay, 5 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here see, here 1. After that what? 2. 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Next 2 plus 1. Here what happened here? One number is increasing. Here smallest number is 1. Here largest number is 5. The numbers are increasing. We have to arrange the numbers into small number to largest number. We have to arrange the all numbers. Okay, next one. Next what? Second bit. Second one. 9,347 comma 19,035 comma 22,570 comma 12,300. Okay, now you can see here ascending order. Okay, ascending order. Now ascending order. Okay, 9,000 is smallest, not 19,000, 22,000, 12,000. Which one is the smallest number here? 9,000. 9,347 comma 12,300 comma, next what? 19,035 comma 22,570. You know that now. Smallest number to largest number. Next we can go through the third bit. Okay, third bit what? Write the numbers in decreasing order. Decreasing means the number is decreasing. Here see, decreasing order. Decreasing order, and another name was what? Descending order. Descending order. Okay, decreasing and descending order. Okay, totally opposite. In this one is the opposite of the increasing order. I mean ascending order, opposite descending order. Why? Because in this ascending order we have to arrange the numbers into small number to large number, but in this descending order we have to arrange the numbers into large number to small number. That's all. Largest number to smallest number. Okay, now see example 10, 15, 25, same as this. Okay, now say here we have to what we have to write? Descending order. Okay, descending order. See here, descending order. Which one is the largest number here? 10, 15, 25. 20 is the largest number. 20 after what? 15, comma 10, comma 5. Okay, next here see, the problem is what? 18. First one is 1876, comma 89,715, comma 45,321, comma 89,254. Okay, there are 4 numbers are there. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. We have to write here descending order. Descending order. Which one is the largest number? Which one is the largest number? The largest number is 89,254. Is that right? No, because here 89,200 here, there 89,700 is there. So 700 is big, not 200 is big. 700 is absolutely 700 is a big. 89,715, comma after that 89,254, comma 45,321, comma 1876. Okay, do you understand this? Descending order. Descending means decreasing. The numbers are decreasing. Largest number to smallest number we have to arrange. Okay, next what? Second one 3,000, comma 8,700, comma 3,900, comma 18,500. You see here already I wrote here 3,000, comma 8,700, comma 3,900, comma 18,500. So here what we have to write? Descending order. We have to arrange into descending order. Which one is the largest number? 18,500, comma next what? 8,700, comma 3,900, comma 3,000. Okay, do you understand? Next, fourth bit. Put appropriate symbols or less than or greater than in the space given. Do you know less than or this is the fourth bit now. Less than, fourth bit is put appropriate symbols or less than or greater than in the space given. See here, greater than symbol is this one, less than symbol is this one, equal is this one. So I will give an example here. 5, 4. There is 5 number and 4 number. Okay, 5 and 4. Which is the greatest number here? 5. The smallest number is 4. Okay, so what is the symbol? Symbol is greater than. This one is greater than. So what we have to write? 5 is greater than 4. Okay, 5 is greater than 4. Next, here 5, here 6, here 5 number is there, here 6 number is there. So which one is the greater number, which side? 6, right side. So the 5 is the we have to write here less than symbol. We have to write the less than symbol. So here we wrote greater than. 5 is greater than 4. Then what we have to write here? 5 is less than. Less than means what? Minus. Less means minus. 5 is less than 6. Okay. Next here see 5 dash 5. 5 here also 5 number, and here also 5. Two sides also 5 number. So what we have to write in this box? Equal. Why? 5 is equal to 5. 5 is equal to 5. Because why we have to write here equal? Because two numbers are same. Okay, that's why we have to write 5 equal to 5. Next, see the first one is 308,854 dash 15,200. Second one 4,895 dash 4,864. See here in this box, which is the greater number, which one is the largest, which one is the smallest? Here right side is smallest, left side is greatest. Then what happens? I will say easily, in left side greatest number is there, then we have to put here less than. Greatest number is there, then we have to put here less than. If greatest number comes into right side, we have to put greater than. Okay, here 15,000 is great big number, or 3,000 is big number? 15,000 is big number. So here what we have to write here? Less than, because 3,854 is less than into 15,200. Next here see 4,895, 4,864. So 864 is big, not 895 is big. 4,895 is big. So we have to write the big number is comes into right side. The big number is right side. So we have to keep here greater than. Okay. Do you understand or not? If you not understand, please I will explain again and again. Okay. Next, fifth bit. You have to see here fifth bit. Write the numbers in words. Write the numbers in words. Okay, write the numbers in words. Example, I will give one example here. See, 342. We have to write here into words. 342. 3, you know the number in word 3, THREE, 300. Here is ones, tens, 100. 3 is in 100 place, so 300, 342, 342. Okay, do you understand? 342. Now here see one question is there. 7 ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000. First one what? 72,642. Here ones, 2 is ones place, 4 is tens place, 6 is hundreds place, 2 is thousands place, 7 is 10,000. So 70,000, sorry, by small mistake. 70,000, sorry, sorry, by small mistake is there. 72,000. Okay, 72,000 642. Okay, now next you have to remaining 3 all you can do yourself. Okay, next write the numbers in figures. Next bit, what? Write the numbers in figure. 6th bit, write the numbers in figures. Write the numbers in figures. Okay, figures is figure means you write into numbers. Words means you have to write this like. Okay, now example, see, just example. Okay, here see 300. Okay, then we have to write here, write the numbers. Okay, number means what? We have to write here numbers. 3 means 3. 100, how many zeros in 100? 2 zeros. So 300. Simply you have to write it like this, like. Okay, here see 60,000. One in the fourth one is here. The first one is 40,270. 40,270 means 40,270. Okay, you have to write this like. Okay, next. Okay, thank you.